Invisible ink on the paper so bright, like whispers of dreams in the dead of the night. I write my name in the spark of a flash. Words go unseen like a light that won't last. A story untold in the pages I keep, silent as shadows that sing in my sleep. Mysteries hidden with each line I've drawn, fading as swiftly as the break of the dawn. With an invisible pen, I'm sketching my soul, writing my fate with no eye on the goal. While the world reads nothing, I'm pouring it in. Magic of permanence, lost in the spin. Invisible pen marks the books of my heart, tracing each heartbeat, a delicate art. Feelings like ghosts haunting every blank page, tales of my passions that time can't engage. Oh, invisible ink leaves a mark that won't stay, yet every bit written means more than I say. So much to tell, but you don't see the signs. In every blank paper, my heart intertwines.